Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make a kite. Kites are one of man's earliest and most fun inventions, and a lot of folks say that man truly conquered the sky and its flying beasts when he invented the kite. And frankly, I agree. You'll just need a few ingredients to make a kite, and we're going to start with this one, blue trash. The trash should be thin enough to cut, and it should be blue enough to match the sky on a cloudless day. You'll also want to get some scissors or two knives that you can use as scissors to cut the trash. Just slice that bad boy in half and then turn it some amount and slice it some more. Now come the sticks and tape. You'll need several of each, and just start taping the sticks onto the trash however you'd like. I like to do them in a triangular shape, but I'm dumb. Also, I like to stand on my shoes rather than wear them while I'm doing this. It gets me pumped! Keep taping the sticks to your blue trash until you've run out of sticks and tape. Then throw your brand new homemade kite up into the air and watch it go. With any luck, your kite will be attracting and confusing birds just like mine did. And that's the real goal if you think about it.